Hey again, friends. I'll show you my bees. I hadn't showed you them in a while. And no, my bee corral's not finished yet. I do have some more posts cemented in the ground, but it's not finished. There's bees inside and there's bees outside. There was about 10,000 of them here a while ago. But this dish had run out of bee food, and so they must have went to the flowers, because there's wildflowers blooming all over the place now. I filled this dish 3 times and the one inside twice. I got them crawling on my bald head. But that's it for now.